As a life insurance professional, one of the responses I get when I ask, hey, do you have a life insurance outside of your employer? Many people say, no, they don't. Many young people say, I don't need additional life insurance. The one I have through my job is just fine. I'm healthy. I don't have kids. I don't have a spouse. So I don't need additional coverage. And I'm sorry to say, but you do. Okay? The coverage that you have through your job is minimal. It is not going to adequately, in my opinion, take care of your loved ones should something happen to you. And yes, just because you're married and just because you're not married and you're healthy and you're young doesn't mean that you won't pass away sooner than you should. Okay? From the moment that we're born, we're slowly dying. Believe it or not. We do what we can, we stay healthy, we eat right. All that does is give you more time, right? But what you can control is what happens when you go to cross the street. What you can't control is what happens when you get in your car to drive to wherever you think may be safe, all right? And that is why you need to have additional coverage, okay? It is unfair, in my opinion, for you to not have additional coverage. And then when you do go to see the Lord, your family members are left with the cost to give you a befitting burial. Not when you can take care of that yourself while you are young and healthy for a cost that's very low, because the younger you are, the cheaper life insurance is for you. And so you have the opportunity to do something about it now. Listen, death is not an easy conversation. I don't like having it with people. People don't like having it with me, but it is something that you have to think about. And you do need to leave a good legacy for yourself by doing everything that you can while you are alive and healthy to take care of your loved ones. And listen, it doesn't have to be a spouse or your children to be considered your loved ones. Your parents, if they are still here when you go, are your loved ones. Your siblings are your loved ones. Your uncles and your aunts, your nieces and nephews. Put these individuals down as your beneficiaries and update your beneficiaries from time to time. Listen, while you're young and healthy, do everything you can to make sure the costs that are left behind when you go to see the Lord are not a burden to other people. For a cost that's less than what you pay for your gym membership, less than what you spend on food and drinks a week, less than what you pay for your car insurance, you can make sure that you leave a legacy, a good legacy, a financial legacy for your loved ones. Consider purchasing life insurance. Contact your life insurance agent. Reach out to me if you live in Texas, and let's go ahead and get you additional coverage and talk about your options. Thank you very much for your tuning into this video. Comment, like, subscribe. Give me your thoughts on life insurance and things of that aspect. Stay blessed, y'all.